Hello, what is your name?
My name is Shawny Abad,
How old are you?
39 years,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
In
Where?
Singapore.
How many years there?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
4 years
Where's your employer living in?
in Colon City.
How many
No.
square feet of your employer's house?
700 square meters.
Square feet. How many family member there?
They are 4,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
7 and 12.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock.
And then?
And then after I wake up, of course I clean myself. I wake them up. Then I prepare their food for breakfast. Then I send them downstairs to wait the school bus.
Okay.
Then after that, they go to school. Then I do the daily housework, like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes.
Okay, so do you go market?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after go to market, what time you cook, prepare for the dinner?
6 o'clock, I prepare already
Dinner.
the food, ma'am.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7,
7 o'clock. So what time you go to bed?
9:30, ma'am.
9:30. Okay, thank you so much.